रे ऑप्टिक्स। इसका क्वेश्चन इस प्रकार है, व्हाट इज द क्रिटिकल एंगल। आंसर है द क्रिटिकल एंगल इज द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस एबव विच टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन occurs when light passes from a denser medium to a rarer medium। कंडीशंस है, लाइट मस्ट ट्रेवल फ्रॉम ए डेंसर मीडियम टू ए रेयर मीडियम। सेकेंड है द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन द क्रिटिकल एंगल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन। आंसर है टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन अकर व्हेन अ लाइट वेव हिट्स ए बाउंड्री between two media and it is completely reflected back into a first medium without passing into a second medium। Next question, what are the difference between primary and secondary rainbow। आंसर है प्राइमरी रेनबो में फर्स्ट है brighter and outermost, second formed by first reflection and refraction of sunlight through water droplet and angle है 42 डिग्री से 42 डिग्री। सेकेंडरी रेनबो में है फेंटर एंड आउटसाइड ऑफ प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंड में है formed by light being reflected twice before exciting the droplet and थर्ड में एंगल है 50 से 53 डिग्री with colored reserved। The secondary rainbow is a fainter and appears outside the primary with colors reserved, creating a beautiful visual phenomenon। Next question, what do you mean by the power of accommodation of eye। तो इसका आंसर है the eye's ability to focus on object at a different distance of hanging a lens shape। This is achieved by a clarities of muscles which adjust the lens curvature of focus on near or far object, allowing the edge of adapt to changing the distance। Next question, what is optical fiber। इसका आंसर है the optical fiber works on the principle of internal reflection where the light ray travels within denser medium are completely reflected back into the core of when they strike the boundary with less dense medium at the angle is greater than the critical angle। Next question, what do you mean by dispersive power। Answer है dispersive power is defined as a power present in a transparent medium in which the separation of light occurs due to refraction। Next question, what do you mean by scattering of light। Answer है scattering of light is the phenomenon by the light is required in many different directions, so when it interact with a principle in a particle available in the atmosphere। Next question, why aperture of object lens kept small in a compound microscope। Answer है the aperture of object lens in a compound microscope enhance image brightness, clarity and depth of field, making it essential for effect microscope observation। Next question, what is the difference between magnification and magnifying power। आंसर है मैग्निफिकेशन, इट इज द रेशियो ऑफ द इमेज ऑफ द हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट। मैग्नीफाइंग पावर में है इट इज द रेशियो ऑफ द एंगल सबटेन्ड बाय द इमेज एट the eye of the angle sustained by the object of the eye। Next question, what explain dispersive of light। Answer है dispersive is the separation of white light into its component color due to different speed of light wavelength in a medium। This occurs due to each wavelength has a unique refractive index in a medium। Next question, what is refractive index of a medium। Refractive index is a ratio of speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in medium। Next question है why red signals are used to be danger sign। Answer है red signals are used to as a danger sign because it has longest wavelength, making it visible from a distance, and it grabs attention to simulate at alertness and the culturally associated with warning danger। So these factors make the red as a universally recognized color for signally hazard। नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है हमारा वेव ऑप्टिक्स। इसका क्वेश्चन है right conditions of constructive interference. Answer these the constructive interference are conditions are the wave must be overlap in a phase of 2 pi 4 pi and 6 pi dot 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 dot. Second, the wave must have the same frequency or wavelength. Next question, what is the polarization of light? Answer, polarization is the process by which unpolarized light becomes polarized, restricting its vibration to a single plane. This occurs due to reflection and scattering. Next question, what is Brewster law? Answer, the law describes the angle at which light with a perpendicular polarization is perfectly transmitted through a surface with no reflection. Tan theta is equal to n2 by n1, where n2 and n1 are refractive indices of two medium. Next question, what is wave front? Answer, wave the surface where all points are in the same phase of vibrations or disturbance. Next question, what is polaroid? It is a device that filters a light ray to produce polarized light. Next question, what is the difference? What is the relation between path difference and phase difference? Answer, the phase difference between two waves is directly proportional to the path difference between the two waves. This means path difference increases, so phase difference. Uh, Next question, of interference of light. It is the modification of light energy distribution when two light waves from different sources meets. Next question, of diffraction of light. Answer, the bending of light around the corner such that it spread out the luminous area where a shadow is expected. D sin theta is equal to n lambda. Next question, what is Malus law? It is a physical law that describes how intensity of light changes when it passes through a polarized light and analyzer. Next question, what is Huygens principle of secondary wave? Next answer, the law states that every point on wave front is a source of secondary wavelet. This secondary wave propagates outward in a forward direction and a come tangent to all these waves constructive the new wave front. Next question है